So one of the most common problems with the coupe is one of the clips on the inside of the inside handle breaks and you can't open the door from the inside. Unlock the knot, door won't open. So what you need is brand new handle. And normally this is the part that breaks right here, which holds the cable. This breaks, so when you pull a handle, pull them like that. This is broken, so it's not opening the door. Handle cost me 25 bucks from Allen Jackson. I got it in about 2-3 days, so not that hard to do. So all you need to do to replace it is pop that cover off. It'll take you like 5 minutes. 2 screws in there. 2 Phillips head screws, remove those. Once you remove the 2 screws, slide this forward. All this will come out. Now, as you can see, like what I said, I had tried to fix mine, so. But anyway, this piece right here breaks. So when you're pulling, you're just pulling the cable. This has to be held in place. If that's not held in place, basically just pulling the whole cable and the door's not gonna open. So in order to replace it, pop that yellow tab off, pull the cable out, and then this piece and this piece, 2 Phillips head screws. Well, 1 here, well there should be 2, but 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and you take those off and swap it to the new unit. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. So as you can see, everything's taken off. Everything's removed. So, like I said, this part, I put the screw in there to try to save it, but it didn't work. But this part is what usually breaks, why you can't open the door from the inside. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Everything's reassembled on the new one. So now, what you do, take that cable first. Take that cable, pop that in there. That in there. Slide that clip back around there. Slide that around, and that little groove slides in to the gold part. See if I can do it with one hand. It pops right in. There you go. That pops right in, and then slide that back inside the door. Take your 2 Phillips head screws. Put the 2 Phillips head screws back in. Two Phillips head screws back in, and put your cover on. Close the door. And that's how you fix the common problem with the door handle, breaking on the inside of the coupes.